Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use action button on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. For that, just open settings and in settings, you will find the option of action button. Just tap on it and from here, you will be able to select an action for your action button. By default, it is on silent mode. As you can see, as I press and hold the action button, it will turn on silent mode on my iPhone. And if you press it once, it will show you the status of the action button. As you can see, the status is currently on ring mode. Now over here, you will be able to change the action of the action button. Now let's say if I select the camera, and if I press and hold the action button, it will launch the camera app. And if I select any other action, let's say if I select the torch, and if I press and hold the action button, it will turn on the torch on my iPhone, just like that. And this is how you can use the action button on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.